7, and I've just finished this house inside, and I've still got just the outside to do. Just finished all the glossing. I've got that the patio's finished. I've really just got to putty and gap the eaves, but all the window boxes are finished. All the skirtings are finished. All the walls are rolled. I haven't packed up properly yet. Give me a bit of a look. So I've today what I did, I actually rolled all the walls, and then let's see all the walls there. I rolled all the walls, and then I did all my glossing. Which all the door frames, sliding door frames, all the skirting, all the window boxes. That one's a bit bright for you, sorry. All the window boxes. That door needs another coat. I'm not happy with that. And it has a bit of a dent in it, so I've just plastered it up and I'll put another coat of paint on it. Tomorrow I'll come in and I'll pack up in here. I've got tilers coming on Monday, so they put a bit of pressure on you. So tilers coming in on Monday, and then Monday I'll go somewhere else for the day, and then I'll come back here on Tuesday and finish it up on Tuesday. So it'll be the 8 days, which will be alright. Probably 8.5 days. I'll only be here for a few hours tomorrow. I've got a party tomorrow afternoon, so I'll get home a bit early. Filipino party, and so I don't want to do the outside in one hit. I'll do it over a 2-day period, even if it's only 2-3 hour days. It doesn't matter to me. It's going to be a lot easier on my body, because working up high is pretty hard on you, because it's got to be puttied and gapped, then it's got to be rolled twice, and then it's got to be cut in as well. So and each time that's up with your neck up, it's quite high. It's quite a pain in the royal neck. But anyhow, thanks for dropping by, and thought I'd give you a bit of a catch up. Have a good weekend, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.